Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make some lovely peanut butter biscuits which is eggless. This is going to be a good snack to have on hand for the fasting month. My ingredients are, here I have 1 1/3 cup of flour which I sieved. I am going to use half a teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of bicarbonate soda, 2/3 cup of peanut butter, which is smooth, 1/3 cup of butter, which is 80 grams. I have white sugar, that's 1/3 of a cup, and I have brown sugar, that's 1/3 of a cup. You can also use 2/3 of white sugar. And then I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of milk. And I've also got 1/4 teaspoon of fine salt. I am going to start by using my dry ingredients. First, I'm going to add in my salt. My baking soda. And half a teaspoon of baking powder. I will give all my dry ingredients a quick mix. In another bowl, I am going to use up my butter. And here I'm going to measure out my peanut butter. This is my first 1/3 of a cup, and I'm going to measure out another 1/3. This is my second of the 1/3 peanut butter. I'm also going to add in my sugar. Now I'm going to use my electric mixer to cream all this together. In the meantime, I am also preheating my oven to 180 degrees. Whisk it till it's all combined and then it changes color into a lighter brown. I'm going to add in my dry ingredients to the wet. I'm going to fold in the flour a little. I'm going to give this another mix. To my dough, I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of milk. And thereafter, I'm going to fold in my dough to the milk. Here's my dough. This is well folded in with my milk, and it's quite a sticky dough. Here I have my oven tray, which I lined up with my baking paper. I am going to use my tablespoon for a scoop to measure my dough. And then I'm going to use my hands to form it into a little ball. And thereafter, I'm going to take my fork and press this down. And also press it down the other way as well. I'm going to continue in this manner till I'm finished with my dough. I will press it down gently and then press it the other way around, so it gives us a pattern on top. I will continue till I fill my tray up. Here's my first dozen of biscuit, and from my remaining dough you could get 20 to 24 biscuits depending of what size ball you make. So this is ready to pop into the oven for 12 to 15 minutes, but we'll check along the way. "15 minutes has passed and my biscuits are ready. We'll remove them from the oven. As you can see, they did spread. That's the reason why you have to need to leave space in between. And I'm going to allow this to cool for about another 10 minutes on my cooling rack, and then I'm ready to serve. Here you go. This peanut butter biscuit can make a anytime treat during the fasting. I'm going to quickly break one to show you all how it looks. It's quite a stiff biscuit, but it's soft in the inside. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.